Congratulations on your upcoming arrival. This is a momentous occasion filled with joy and anticipation. Getting ready for labor and delivery is an exciting time. It's a period of preparation and planning where every detail matters. It's also natural to feel a mix of emotions. Excitement, anxiety, and even a bit of fear are all part of the journey. Remember, every birth story is unique. Each experience is different, and that's what makes it so special. One key to a smoother experience is preparation. Being well prepared can help ease some of the uncertainties. Having your hospital bag packed well in advance can bring peace of mind. It ensures that you have everything you need when the time comes. While you can't control every aspect of labor, being organized can help you feel more in control. It allows you to focus on the moment. Focus on what you can control, like packing thoughtfully. Consider what will make you comfortable and what essentials you'll need. This simple step allows you to focus on the beautiful journey ahead. Remember, you've got this. Your preparation will pay off. Embrace the unexpected nature of childbirth. It's a journey that can be unpredictable, but that's part of its beauty. Being flexible and adaptable will serve you well. Trust in the process and know that you are capable. Trust your instincts and lean on your support system. They are there to support and guide you through this incredible experience. Packing for yourself might seem daunting, but focusing on comfort is key. A well-prepared bag can make your hospital stay much more pleasant and stress-free. Choose loose-fitting, comfortable clothing for after delivery. These will help you feel more at ease and accommodate any post-delivery changes in your body. Remember, your body will be recovering. Gentle, soft fabrics can make a big difference in your comfort level during this time. Pack a robe and slippers for moving around your hospital room. These items will help you feel more at home and provide warmth and comfort. Don't forget toiletries, including lip balm and lotion, as hospital air can be dry. These small items can help you feel refreshed and maintain your daily hygiene routine. Include items you use in your daily routine. Familiar products can provide a sense of normalcy and comfort during your stay. Bring entertainment like books or magazines. These can help pass the time and provide a welcome distraction. A journal can be a special place to jot down your thoughts and feelings. Documenting your experience can be therapeutic and a wonderful keepsake. Pack your phone charger for staying connected with loved ones. Keeping in touch with family and friends can provide emotional support and comfort. Don't forget insurance information and any hospital paperwork. Having these documents organized and ready will save you time and hassle. Having these readily available will make your admission process smoother. It ensures that all necessary information is at hand when you need it. Pack snacks to keep your energy up between meals. Nutritious snacks can help you stay energized and maintain your strength during your stay. Packing for your little one is one of the most joyful parts of preparing for their arrival. Start with the basics, like onesies and sleepers in newborn sizes. A going-home outfit is a must. Choose something comfortable and adorable. Don't forget socks or booties to keep tiny feet warm. Receiving blankets are versatile for swaddling and more. Remember to bring your car seat. It's crucial to have it properly installed. Section 4. Last-minute essentials. Staying calm and organized. As your due date approaches, remember a few last-minute things. Keep your hospital bag accessible. Pack a small bag for labor essentials. Include items like lip balm, phone charger, and headband. Pack a going-home outfit for yourself. Confirm your transportation plans. Relax and enjoy these last moments. Delegate tasks and lean on your support system. Section 5. Navigating the unexpected. Tips for a smooth delivery experience. Labor and delivery are unpredictable, but there are ways to navigate the unexpected smoothly. It's important to be prepared for any situation that may arise. Communicate openly with your medical team about your preferences. Clear communication can help ensure that your wishes are understood and respected. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Knowledge is power, and understanding what's happening can ease your mind. Consider creating a birth plan, outlining your wishes for pain management and delivery. This can include your preferences for medication, labor positions, and who you want present. Remember, birth plans are guides and flexibility is key. Situations can change, and being adaptable can help you stay calm. Trust your instincts and your body's ability to birth. Your body is designed for this, and you have the strength within you. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing to manage contractions. These techniques can help you stay focused and reduce stress. Having a support person present can provide comfort and encouragement. Whether it's a partner, family member, or friend, their presence can make a big difference. Remember, you are strong and capable. Every contraction brings you closer to meeting your baby. Don't be afraid to advocate for yourself and your baby. Your needs and concerns are important. If something doesn't feel right, speak up. Trust your feelings and communicate them to your medical team. This is your birth experience and your voice matters. Make sure you are heard and supported throughout the process. Section 6. Welcoming your little one, a journey of love and joy. As you prepare to welcome your little one, remember that you are embarking on a journey of love and joy. Trust in yourself and your ability to parent. Embrace the transformative power of parenthood. Your life is about to change in the most incredible ways. Cherish every moment, from those first cries to those sleepy newborn cuddles. Congratulations on this exciting chapter.